The FDA will begin regulating a small portion of health apps to make sure they're actually working.
The FDA says it will focus on apps that turn smartphones into devices like a heart monitor. It will also focus on medical attachments that plug into smartphones like arm cuffs that measure blood pressure.
According to industry analysts, there are more than 17,000 medical apps out there. Agency officials estimate that 500 million smartphone customers will be using some type of medical app by 2015.
Agency officials say their goal is to oversee apps that could potentially pose a risk to patients, though few of them actually do. According to the FDA, apps have the potential to transform healthcare by allowing doctors to diagnose patients with potentially life-threatening conditions outside of traditional healthcare settings and help consumers manage their own health and wellness. Many of the health apps currently available allow users to monitor their personal health through calorie counters or fitness plans. While these apps may be effective, they rely on user input. The FDA is more interested in tools that extract information from the user. According to the FDA's Center for Devices and Radiological Health, it's making sure those apps actually do what they're supposed to do. It's still an ECG machine whether it is the size of a bread box or the size of a smartphone. It's not about the platform, it's about the functionality. An ECG is an ECG. And overall, people are pleased with the FDA's decision. One doctor told the New York Times, "The agency's decision to specify the regulatory rules is likely to spur the innovation of apps that perform medical functions. The development of such apps had been slow, in part because of a lack of clarity about how the agency would treat them." According to a report by research firm Research to Guidance, the market for mobile apps will reach $26 billion by 2017. Currently, there are some 97,000 total health apps being distributed in Apple's App Store and Google Play. According to the FDA, apps will be considered on a case-by-case basis and will not require clinical trials if the app already resembles a medical device currently on the market. However, apps will be subjected to the same regulatory standards. For Newsy, I'm Cliff Judy.